Hey guys, welcome back to Simple Tech Man, and today we'll discuss if the new iPad 2018 is really worth your money. So stay tuned. So should you buy the iPad 6th generation? And the answer is it depends. Depends on what? It depends on if you already have an iPad. It depends if you are just buying it for the Apple Pencil support. It depends if you are on a budget. If you already have an iPad, then this one is not going to amaze you. The design is not new. It feels like Apple used the leftover things from the older iPads, combined it with an A10 chip, and added Apple Pencil support and came out with this new iPad. Speaking of Apple Pencil, I bought this Hyoko pencil from Amazon for $30. See how smooth this thing is, and there's no lag. And this is the iPad 2. The only drawback to this pencil is it lacks the pressure sensitivity that you get on the Apple Pencil. Now, if you don't currently have an iPad and you don't want to spend over $1,000 for the new iPad Pro, this machine is really good. Only competition it has is the other iPads. No Windows, Android, or Amazon tablets they stand a chance near this at this price point. That's it from me, guys. Do let me know in the comment section below if you are going to buy this, have bought this, or why did you choose not to buy this. And if you like my videos, show me some love and hit that subscribe button. Thanks a lot. This is Simple Tech Man, signing out.